27 kilometers east of Quezon with winds of 176 kilometers per hour near the center. Ligay is expected to make landfall at around noontime today and cross Metro Manila and nearby provinces shortly thereafter.
Dad?
Spencer,
Yeah, Dad.
kanina pa ako tumatawag sa'yo. Nag-text na din sa akin si Janos. Tinatawagan ka. Nasaan ka na daw ba?
Sabi lang na papunta na, traffic lang.
Ay nako, idadamay mo pa ako sa kalukuhan mo. Son, you have to be responsible. I know Janos is your friend, pero you have to be on time.
Hindi ka pa mababalik?
Pinakain ko pa yung dalawang aso natin eh.
Ikaw na mo bang mga ano mo? Kahit ako ba talaga? You're not young anymore para maging lagi kayo dito sa opisina. Nakakahiya.
Dad,
Spencer, kumilos ka na dyan. Ayusin mo ang sarili mo. Kahit kaibigan mo si Janos, kapag trabaho, mahiya ka sa kanya.
good morning, Mom.
Panahon ng nagulan, bayong pag-iingat ang kailangan. Manatiling alerto, kabayan.
Yes, I'm looking at it right now. Grabe, last week may DDoS tayo. Ngayon, ito naman. Talagang sinusubukan nila yung powers natin.
Mahal po yung cellphone.
Sige, I'll just fix it. I'll fix it just in time for the mega sale tomorrow, okay? I'll update you later. Bawal yung phone nito. Bye.
18.
Morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Ma'am, sa inyo po ba itong account? Tama po ba yung account number?
Yes, of course. It's not mine. It says Paris Rubio Dress Shop, so it's not my account.
Invalid po yung account number eh. Paki-double check na lang po sa account holder.
Okay. Sige, I'll check.
Ma'am?
Sorry po. Sorry. Sige, I'll check again and then I'll get back to you later, okay? Thank you.
19.
Oh, everybody! Memo from head office. Update today dahil bumabagyo. Umuwi kayo safely, ha?
Hello? Sorry, mahaba yung pila sa ATM.
Hindi mo man lang masagot, nagpa-follow up na si Mr. Valeria ng order niya. Gutom na daw girlfriend niya, wala pa daw delivery.
Hindi. Ito, papunta na ako. Relax lang, bro.
Bro, hindi pwede pa relax lang. Hindi naman ikaw humaharap sa kliyente. Ayusin mo naman.
Sorry. Kaya nga ako nag-quit ng corporate job ko dahil ayoko na sa sermonan. Tapos,
Sige na. Ayoko lang may masabi yung mga ibang tao ko. Baka sabihin may special treatment porket kaibigan kita. O nga pala, yung 10K dalhin mo agad dito ha. Mamamalengke pa si Marlon.
gago ka rin!
Babe, hayaan mo na. Okay lang yun.
Too many assholes on the street.
Okay lang yan. Anyway, everything's set for tonight. All you have to do is bring your handsome face and your cute smile. Smile na.
So, seryoso ka, papasok ka talaga? Oh, you heard that? Typhoon Ligaya magla-landfall daw this afternoon.
Kailangan ko pumasok, babe. Nade-face yung website namin.
You know what? You're not even growing in that lousy job of yours. You're selling second-rate crap. Babe, when we get married, you should quit that job.
Sunduin mo ako ng 5 p.m. Tapos, diretso na tayo dun sa dinner with your parents and my mom ng 7 p.m., okay?
Okay.
Sorry. Medyo na traffic lang.
I don't mind actually. Paano ako mainis sa'yo kung ganyan ka ka-cute? Nagmamadali ka ba?
Actually, oo eh. May kailangan ka pa. Ay, sorry.
Spencer.
Oo.
Ito na yung babae mo.
Delivery.
Bro.